Hey, stick around and stay tuned. Me and my back scratcher here are going to unbox this and show you all about it, and hope you stick around to watch the video. A9 backup camera with 9-inch monitor DVR. Action! Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining us. Remember, we can move a lot of things across this country, but the one thing we can't move is the growth of this channel without your help. So hit that subscribe button and let everybody know that we're here. Today we're going to be unboxing the Erapta 9-inch display backup camera. I ordered the 2-camera version. I'm going to put one on each mirror facing backwards. And it comes with a 4-camera setup also, but I didn't need the 4-camera setup. So stick around, stay tuned. We're going to unbox this together and I'm going to show you everything that's inside. Alright, so everything that you see here comes in the 2-camera setup. It comes with a monitor, the wiring harness, 3 different sets of types of way you can mount it, 2 spools of 20-foot wire, and your handy dandy owner's manual. So what I like about this setup so far, just by looking at it, if you look at these cameras, they look like they got some really good night vision going on in there. Now we are not going to hook this up today. Unfortunately, it's a little cold out to be standing out in this outside and doing that, but we're going to hook this up at a later date. We're going to do another install video of one of these. But if you look inside there, they got some pretty good night vision lights going on. These cameras will be mounted probably, I don't know if I'm going to mount them upwards or if I'm going to mount them upside down. If I mount them upside down, I can flip all these around, and so that way this lens would still be operational. Uh, it comes with a very nice 9-inch display that has the different mounting brackets on there. It also comes with a 32 gig, I believe. Yeah, so 32 gigabyte SAND SD card to store your footage on. Um, it comes with a pretty nice wiring harness, as you can see here. Now, don't get crazy about these wires here. They all do something different, but it's pretty basic. Your black wire is your ground. Your red wire is your power. Or sorry, your yellow wire is your power. Your red wire goes to your accessory, and then these other 3 wires here are give power to the camera to key it up. And it also comes with the hardware. And like I said, I heard a few people on YouTube talking about it, and it looks like a pretty good setup. So we're going to mount it onto this truck. I already have a forward-facing camera, so what I'm looking for is to get 2 backwards running down either side of the truck, because unfortunately, our first week owning this truck, someone did hit our truck in the parking lot because they didn't understand how this truck turns. It doesn't pivot like an actual tractor trailer. He didn't comprehend that, I guess, and ended up running into the back corner of our truck. Didn't really cause any damage to us, but put some pretty good scrapes down his vehicle. It would have been great to have this just in case something did come of that. The owner manual is pretty user friendly. Um, if you look on the inside, it tells you how to use the remote, tells you how everything. It also will tell you what each wire does and where you should hook it up to. Now I'm going to do some YouTube education and see if there's a way I can hook this up without hooking it to like the accessories and getting and then all that stuff. If there's not, I may take this and have it installed by a professional. If I do that, I'll still try to film it or at least give you a walkthrough of after it's installed. Now, when it comes to installing this 9-inch display, um, I don't know where I'm going to mount that yet because I don't have any GPS, like big GPSs in my truck or anything like that. But I don't also want it directly on my dash. If you look at some pictures previously of the dash of this truck, it's like a 2019 Columbia-esque style interior. So there's really no flat spots on the dash. And the dash comes up real high. So what I'm worried about is it blocking the line of sight. So I may install it hanging down from where the CB mounts. It has a little compartment for the CB underneath that. I may hang it hanging down from there. I'm just not sure yet. So I want to make sure I've got a good spot where I can run it and also run the wires to. With it hanging down like that, it technically would be a good spot due to the fact of the CB wires also run out, and I could mount it to the top side of the mirror looking back. Instead of mounting it on the bottom, I could mount it up top. So again, I'm not sure where I'm 100% going to mount it yet. I also think I got another one. I don't know if it's from the same company or not, but I also have a magnetic backup camera that runs off a battery up there that I'm going to install here soon, shortly also. I just have to get a metal plate that I can put inside the box because that's where I'm going to mount it to, and see if it's this one's done wirelessly, so there's no wires whatsoever um between the camera and the monitor for it. So I'm gonna mount it in the box to see if it gets good signal in the truck. So that stick around, stay tuned for that one. That'll be another video that I have that I haven't even unboxed it yet, to be honest with you. So you'll also see that unboxing video also. That one there, I might do a quick install with it too. But again, this is the I can't pronounce it. What's it called, Jenna? Erapta. Erapta. Uh, two camera. They say it's backup cameras, but like I said, it seems like a pretty good system. It comes with a lot of cable, way more than I'm going to need 20 feet. This would actually pretty near run almost all the way to the back of my truck. Halfway down the back of my truck, this would run. So stick around, stay tuned for the next video where we're going to be, not the next video, but here pretty shortly where we're going to be installing this. We decided not to go anywhere today. We decided to stick around, hang out here in Carlisle. It's only 160 miles to where we're picking up. And with it being Sunday, it's probably going to be a little tough to try to find parking anywhere close to Jersey. Everybody's staging to get in there. So there's only one truck stop close, and it's only got like 120 spots. And I know by the time we would have got there, it probably would have been full of people. And it's a paid-only parking lot. So until tomorrow, stick around, stay tuned for that video. We'll be picking up in Jersey. We got a stop off in North Carolina, and then we finish in Jacksonville, Florida. So we'll be back down where the warmer weather is. Hopefully, at least a little warmer than up here. I think last night it was like 19 degrees out. It's pretty chilly. Um, and maybe it'll help me get over this cold a little better, get out of this area, because I'm fighting a cold right now. I think I'm on the tail end of it, coming out of it. I feel a lot better than I did yesterday and the day before. Uh, but I appreciate you all being here. Thanks for sticking around. Thanks for hitting that like button. Hit the follow button if you're on a different platform. And tell your friends, man. We're just trying to get to 200 subscribers before the end of the year. Probably not going to hit it, but it's a goal to set, you know. This is our Vlogmas series. Every video you've seen, we've been shooting out videos all the time. So we're trying to do one every day for December, and maybe we'll keep doing it through the first of the year. Thanks for being here. Thanks for sticking around. Remember, be good to one another and live to expedite another day. I'll see you on the next one.